The City of Bydgoszcz used a Scalable Cities Action Grant to enhance energy performance in a public nursery building. As a follower city in the MySmartLife project, Bydgoszcz drew inspiration from smart solutions implemented in public buildings in Helsinki, including smart meters, building automation systems, and demand-side management strategies. With energy demand growing across its 7,270 buildings and a recent commitment under the Covenant of Mayors to reduce CO2 emissions by 40% by 2030, Bydgoszcz recognized the need for action. The municipality also faced an obligation to cut electricity consumption by 10%. To lay the foundation, the Energy Management Unit formed an energy optimization team of internal stakeholders. The next step involved gathering and analyzing crucial data, such as energy audits, retrofitting records, and technical building documentation, to prepare predictive and adaptive control algorithms for optimized demand response. As a result of the data analysis, a building management system was installed in the nursery. The system incorporated thermometers, wireless thermostats, window controllers, motion sensors, and energy meters. The tools allowed the BMS to monitor and identify the most energy-consuming appliances in the building, creating a clear path for targeted energy consumption efficiency improvements. With the BMS in place, and supported by insights from the energy optimization team, Bydgoszcz began formulating energy-saving recommendations for other public buildings. Through the Scalable Cities Action Grant, Bydgoszcz has taken a proactive step toward reducing CO2 emissions and lowering electricity consumption by deploying smart building management systems, paving the way for a more energy-efficient future.